Hop in this shit, bro.
Drive up a little bit. I can't drive up a little bit. What's the deal? What's the deal with y'all, man? What's the deal? Let me see y'all a little bit. Took a little break. Ain't gonna lie. I low-key has been sick. But anyways, boys. We are almost at 360 subscribers. I had to think about it for a second. I think we're 1 subscriber away. Dead ass. So, yeah, we are gonna make a fire vid. Homies picking me up right now. The dead homies. I'm breezy. I've not changed my character yet. Yeah, we're gonna head to the block and I think there's a new faction in town. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video and see y'all. I mean, this is only your first day, so we're gonna see. I'll give you a pass.
Hey, Echo, turn this beat off if you ain't tripping on it.
Is this who?
It's A-Train.
A-Train? Yeah, the A-Train Hoover right here, cool. Run the scrabbles. Hey, baby. Y'all new in the city, right?
Yeah. Me,
What the fuck?
don't ride.
Wait, we're not fighting. We're not fighting. Oh yeah.
I can't. What the fuck?
Don't ride. 1, 2, 1, 2, Mike Tyson.
Yeah. Ain't cool. What? Oh yeah, this.
1, 2, Mike Tyson. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, beat his ass. Beat his ass.
Oh yeah.
Beat his ass with the dead homies.
Hey, nigga, don't do it.
No, you have no phone. You have no phone.
Oh, he got a gun. He got a gun.
Sit down. Yo, I'm not him out. I just knocked him out.
What the fuck, fool?
Hey, call me Grim Reaper though. Call me Grim Reaper, cuz.
Oh, you Grim Reaper?
Hey, cuz.
Oh, what the fuck? No blood, man.
On blood. On blood, cuz. I'm not blood.
Yeah, I'm breezy, fool.
I bet breezy.
Yeah.
Hey, I caught me both in the one now.
Yeah, fool.
Hey, cuz, that's how they call me Grim Reaper.
No, come to the crib, cause I'm gonna give you some, fool.
Yeah, I can fuck that boy. Hey, homie, I hunted on, yo, look what I did. I said some Han.
I saw you, fool, and I feel like it's time. You're the only homie outside, so I'm gonna give you this right here. So you can get the meal, a Glock.
Hold on, let me take Big Mama.
Take this, fool.
Hey,
This
cuz.
right here, fool.
Hey, can I get this one? right here?
Yeah, you got that one.
Alright, come on. I'm finna get
You're
some
not
money.
gonna go 40, fool. Yeah, I'ma trust you.
Hey, I got this black X6 still. Right there, on that car right there.
Here, on that car. Get up on that car. Damn!
My leg.
The fuck? Who is this, fool?
Yo, hold on.
What the hell?
Why you hit me?
Yo!
Freak, no, why would I be
This is the homie, fool.
A-Train Hoover, man.
Man, fuck that shit on my damn homies. What's this? Oh, they jumping me, fool. They jumping me. Damn. Shit.
Yeah, come here. Oh yeah, that's how you fight.
Get up on his ass. Get up on him.
That's how you fight. Put yourself in front. Yeah, that's safer.
Right. Then I go straight. Then right up here, you gonna take another right.
Right here. Alright.
Yeah.
We robbing them.
That's good.
We robbing them, alright?
How's the horn, fool?
Wait, no boy.
Who's that? Hey, yo.
Where y'all from? Yeah, y'all got brothers. Cause I think we got robbing. Yeah. Where y'all from?
Where y'all from, fool?
Hey, we robbing them?
Yeah. Where they from? Bro, see how they ducking?
I see a lot of orange in them. Where y'all from?
Yo, who's this right here, fool?
Oh, y'all some A-Train?
Alright, bet, it's A-Train. Hey, put them hands up, fool.
A-Train.
Don't move.
Don't run.
Don't move.
That
It's
big.
A-Train's
You
right
can't
here,
run that
fool.
big.
Don't move.
Don't
Don't
run.
move. Hey, he went in the crib. Oh, he didn't go in the crib. Hey, get on that
Right
wall,
here.
fool. Get on that wall. I'll say you again, fool.
Hey, remember?
Turn around, go on the wall, fool. I'll pop you up on that wall, fool. Get up on that wall, fool.
Get on the wall. Meet no pockets on every fine.
Shoot up piece of bubble gum and a crusty $1.
Slash do what I say.
Hey, cuz, didn't I say I was gonna catch you when I knocked you out that one time?
$450.
Ooh, this sucker has some bullets on him and $400. That homie. Hey, get your lick back. Get your lick back, fool. You know where we stand? This Hollywood party on the damn homie.
Alright, clown feet ass.
Oh, alright. Oh, shit, they popped it.
That clown feet ass.
Hold on. That's cool, fool.
Oh, I think he got moving. Oh, he missed.
Oh, shit, he shot at us.
He missed.
Alright, they this bad. I got the bullets up that sucker. That homie.
I'm gonna put my phone shit. You never know if they're gonna spin back or not.
They bounce out. I'm sniping. I'm shooting. Thank God, blood.
Oh, I forgot. They never outside. On time you listen.
But they ain't even outside. I'm blood. Hollywood, they ain't even outside.
Hollywood.
Let's see if they outside.
No, I'm gonna call them. Who the big me for y'all game? Real quick. Alright, me call Mad Max. Me call Mad Max.
You calling them fool?
Yeah, let me check behind us. We call the officer. Never outside. Alright, go. Let's see if they outside.
See if they outside.
Hey, what's the deal? What you calling my lot for though? Hey, what's the deal? What you calling my lot for? Oh, y'all did that? Alright, say that. Okay.
Stop saying cut, fool.
Hey, blood.
What's the deal?
Yo, behind us.
What's that? What is it? You know what it is? You gotta pull up right shit.
Hey, cuz. If they do something.
Slash me and roll down the window.
I remember that's one of them on the phone.
Yo.
That's one of them on the phone.
Who's this? Who's next to me? Who's this? Who is this, fool?
Oh, yeah. Hey, who was on the phone with me? Talk about go get your man. Drive.
Yeah, pussy on my neck.
You want a bump? No, wait, hold on.
HSP.
Y'all trying to bump or what, fool?
Come on, let's go.
Oh, they even good? Alright, bet. Still, what they doing? Pop the word.
I'm doing.
Come on, blood. How me one, fool?
Oh yeah, call me one.
Oh yeah, oh, the dead homies. Come on, get a car, fool. Copy one, fool. Copy one, dead homies. Yo.
Yo, my here.
Shit, oh shit. Oh. We good.
Oh yeah, damn.
God. On
Hey, y'all,
that
miss
car
that
up there.
deal.
On that car. What's that car up there, fool?
What
You see that car up there? Oh, car right there.
I'm blind on my left side. I can say, oh, never mind, I'm not blind.
Oh shit.
You know this big HSP. This big HSP, where y'all from?
What is it?
Y'all ain't even been y'all said we're not doing that. Oh, what I hear you? You sound so dumb right now.
Wait, hey homie.
That's AJ.
That's HA? We on peace keys.
Ooh, 27 club.
Oh, I see y'all down there. Oh, that's one!
Oh yeah, knock it down.
Hey, go!
Now, I'm stuck. Oh, he pulled off. He pulled off.
That's how you can take it. That's how you can take it.
Oh shit! Oh. You got him? You got him?
Call me one. Stop playing with me.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah. What did I make him?
Get in the crib, fool. Get in the crib.
Who they feeling like? Yo, you like not McQueen. Whatever. Why you making windows on me like that? Hey, I gotta turn down because I can barely see her. This big college HSP. College of Fun. Miss.
Oh yeah! Smack that car! Oh, look at that homies! Look at that homies! Get a crib! Get a crib! Oh my god, fool! Yo, that whole car line!
Yo, I'm sorry. I'm good. I'm Gucci.
Oh wait,
Alright,
no.
we spin it.
I didn't get hit. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, please, let him get to their hood first, fool.
I'm away. We can.
Yeah. On that bike. Look that right there.
He might be a factor. Bro, I guess.
Damn.
You better hold on.
Who is this?
Hold on. You better got insurance in the car. You better got insurance.
Wait, who this right here go? Y'all friends, fool. It's H-Ray?
I bet it's HSP right here.
Alright, bet. They're right here. Alright, bet. Say that. Hold on. Let me get the wheel. You're not bouncing out.
How you know he's not bouncing out?
Shit, I got a spot. I seen somebody on YouTube do this shit.
Dang, you need to take this. All I'm saying is you can't hide his bushes.
Don't mess with me. Fuck this truck driver, fool!
Yeah. I guess you're hiding. in the airport. You're hiding on this shit. In the airport.
Wait, I say nothing to hear they hear was drive bad.
Who?
Yo, who this is right here, fool?
All I gotta say is I'm a champion in my hood.
What? Alright, bad, cool.
Where y'all from? Alright.
Say yeah.
Who's
Hey,
you?
hey, who did this right there?
It's HSP. Y'all didn't even bring y'all shit. Y'all keep. Get back in my car.
Hey! Got his ass!
Y'all bounced out. You bounced out. Not my fault. You bounced out. You bounced out with pole. You got pole in your hand.
They're gonna hit up a H-Ray.
This is on the house
Ready.
though. I mean,
They was dissing on the homie that got smoked, fool. They killed one of us. Hey, ask who that is. Yo, who's this, fool?
Where you from? Hoover?
Alright, this HSP, stay right here, fool. bounce out. Do not.
What's the song?
Turn that shit off, bro.
Never outside.
What the fuck? Oh! Oh! Oh, shit! I'm sorry. Shit. Oh, we good. Yo,
Let me say something.
I'm bleeding.
Well, my two eyes are holding out. They going up in 2 clips.
No matter who, fuck it.
Hey, Echo, turn it up.
Who is sitting in our hood, fool? Go check who that is.
Come on, bro. Where you from?
Hey, Echo, turn this beat off if I ain't tripping on it.
I can't. Hey, that's my homeboy. It's good.
Hey, bro, on that car, fool. Hey, who's in this car, fool? Bro, who is this?
Yo, it's A-Train. Who y'all?
And it's probably a car, fool. What y'all wanna do, fool? Fuck A-Train, my dad homie.
I never been with them front mountain. What?
Get on his ass. On his ass. Good shit.
I'm
Where's everyone, fool? Dead home. Oh, where that other one, fool?
He did
Oh,
something.
right there. Got him.
Oh, yeah,
Got him with my last bullet. And it did help me. Yeah, sorry? This wood.
They never outside on tiny ones.
They even outside.
Right there.
No, that's him?
Yeah, that's them. That's them. Come on. Alright, let's actually.
Oh, they have to.
It takes forever to hop out. I hop out like a hundred.
Got his ass. Clip me one.
You quit. Oh, yeah.
On his ass.
Headshot.
On his ass. We out.
Oh, we're taking that car, too. I'm taking that car.
Make it hit me.
One car goes.
How the fuck did you get in?
Get a different car. We out. Come on. We out.
The dead homies, they tried to park. They tried to park door. I'm already ready, fool. I'm ready.
Now y'all playing so gay. Look at that.
It's whatever. It's whatever. What are you doing, fool? It was y'all homie at. You the only one outside, fool? Is he the only one outside?
Where y'all from? We
Okay,
out this
here's
A-Train?
okay, here's this one. That's A-Train?
I bet. Bro, you're up there, Paul. You're alright.
It's whatever. Hey, that's A-Train, though?
This HHP.
Hey, this HHP.
You're using a yo. We're boarding that seat. Yep, we are. Your homie's hiding behind it.
Oh my god, caught one. Caught me
Yo,
one.
stop shooting.
Caught me one. Shit. Man, I'm out, fool. Shit. times today, fool.
Huh? You said what?
They better bounce on front lines, bro. Who the fuck is on a bike
Yo,
and in a car?
What was you feeling like, yo?
Bro, is y'all together, fool, or what?
Y'all gay? Hey, yo.
What the
Shut
fuck?
your bitch ass up.
Yo, don't push a homie,
like
fool.
a-
Don't push a homie, fool.
Hey,
Don't push a
hey,
homie.
jump the ball. Hey,
Get
jump
his
the
ass.
ball.
Hey, get in your car. Get in your car before we
your
hit,
car.
before we
Get in
knock
your
your ass
car.
out. Who is this? Who's
Get in
right
the
here,
car.
fool?
What are you doing?
Nigga, why are
Who's
you
this right
fucking in
here?
the air? What?
Who is this right here, fool? Bro, who's this right here, bro? Y'all got in the question. This Holly Hill Park rules the deal. Drop nuts.
Bounce
We
off
drop
the
nuts. We drop nuts. Oh.
Yeah.
Got his ass. Got his ass. They dropped nuts and I flipped on the dead homies.
Yo, yeah.
Oh shit, fool. Alright, boys, as y'all see, that this is gonna be the end of the video. We are 1 subscriber away from 360. I'm trying to get 400 by Christmas. I'm gonna have a special vid for y'all on Christmas. Yes, you heard it right. On Christmas. You know, like in there. I'm about to go shoot my gun. Kill it again. Killed his ass in the outro, by the way. Anyways, hope you always enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Share. I'm trying to get my algorithm. I'm trying to get my shit out of there. What the fuck? Didn't watch. You finna kill me, dude. Oh shit! You trying to kill me? He still got flipped. And that nigga just got flipped too. Yo. Oh shit. But anyways, hopefully, y'all enjoyed the video. This was a banger vid. I ain't gonna lie. But anyways, I keep saying but anyways, fool. But for this time, this is the end of the video. And see ya.
I'm not with all the sentimentals, just keep it simple. You wanna know